Unveiling the Truth. Understanding two-timing in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of relationship expressions, and we'll unpack the meaning of the phrase, two-timing. It's a phrase you might come across in movies, songs, or maybe in a juicy novel. So if you're ready to add another expression to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Two-timing is a phrase used to describe the act of being unfaithful or cheating in a relationship. But there's more to it than just its definition. This phrase specifically implies that someone is dating or romantically involved with two people at the same time, without one or both partners knowing about the other. It's considered a deceitful and dishonest behavior. You might be wondering where this phrase comes from. While its exact origin is not clear, two-timing reflects the notion of dividing time between two people. Hence the two in two-timing. It has been used in this context since at least the early 20th century and is commonly associated with dating relationships. Let's see how to use two-timing in conversation. I can't believe it. I just found out my boyfriend has been two-timing me with my best friend. She was two-timing and now both her relationships are in trouble. If you're not happy in a relationship, it's better to leave than to start two-timing. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to describe the act of cheating or infidelity. It's important to note that two-timing carries a negative connotation. In most cultures, faithfulness is valued, and thus, being called a two-timer is not a compliment but a criticism. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is well understood to mean someone is acting untrustworthy in a romantic situation. Now that you understand what two-timing means, you can use it correctly in context and understand when others use it. Remember, it's a phrase loaded with moral judgment and should be used only when you're sure of its meaning and implication. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been informative and added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget to be true to your words and your relationships.